Welcome back. I'm Otunnu Brian, talking about Dr. Olara Otunnu, and in podcast we are looking at the UN Secretary General race through a single lens, the calendar. When Uganda officially submitted Dr. Olara Otunnu's nomination on July 24th, 2026, it set off a high-stakes diplomatic clock as a single entrant. Otunnu's campaign isn't just about policy, it's a race against key dates missed and a tight schedule ahead. Let's start with the date missed. November the 25th, 2025, General Assembly President Nelena Babok and the Security Council launched the official call. On April the 21st, 22nd, and June the 15th to 18th, the first two were General Assembly candidate dialogues took place. In July the 23rd, 2026, Bloomberg hosted the official webcast town hall debate. Otunnu wasn't on stage. On July the 29th, 2026, the General Assembly offered an emergency dialogue slot for Otunnu, but given his nomination occurred just days earlier, he was unable to participate on such short notice. That brings us to today, July the 30th, 2026. Today, the 15-member Security Council convenes behind closed doors for its first secret straw poll. Despite missing the initial public hearing, Otunnu is included on this ballot alongside the earlier nominees today. Now, look at the dates ahead. August 2026. Per Assembly Resolution 79/327, Otunnu must fulfill his mandatory interactive dialogue with the 193 member states. Expect this webcast vision presentation in mid to late August. In August, September 2026, the Security Council conducts subsequent secret ballot rounds using encourage, discourage, and no opinion tokens to gauge candidate support, which was designed by Otunnu. In late September, early October 2026, the Council moves to color-coded ballots. Red ballots held by the P5, the US, UK, France, China, and Russia will reveal whether any permanent member intends to exercise a veto. October and early November 2026, once consensus is reached, the Security Council adopts a formal resolution recommending a single candidate to the General Assembly. In November or December 2026, the General Assembly votes on and officially appoints the 10th Secretary General. Now in January the 1st, 2027, the new term officially begins. Otunnu skipped the opening acts, but he enters right as the main voting sequence begins. The clock is running, and the next 3 months will decide if a late entrant can cross the finish line first. Thanks for listening, and stay tuned as the balloting unfolds.